Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Antonia. In today's video, I am going to be sharing my nighttime hair routine with you just to show you how I protect my curls at night. So here I'm showing you that I'm going to be using 2 scrunchies. Also, I am going to be using some hair oil. And last but definitely not least, I'm going to be using a satin scarf. And so what I like to do is just flip my hair over to the top of my head and I pull it all the way to the top of my hair. This is also going to help to not only protect your curls but to help stretch your curls. So you'll notice like the next day when you take your hair down that it's a bit more stretched if you have a lot of shrinkage. So I'm just pulling that all to the top of my head, as you can see here, and I am going to take that satin scrunchie. I hauled this in my Dollar Tree haul. I'm going to take that and wrap that around my hair just one time. It doesn't have to be super tight, so just that one time and it holds it in place. And this is called a pineapple. Okay, so now I'm going to take my oil, and this is the Shea Moisture Coconut Oil, and I did haul this in my curly hair products video. I'm going to spray this on the ends of my curls, and this is going to help keep them moisturized, keep your hair nice and shiny. And I like to put some type of oil on my hair and or on my scalp every night before I tie up my hair. And people always ask how I keep my hair moisturized. A lot of people that have natural hair always ask me, how to keep your hair moisturized, and you just add moisture. So that's what I'm doing here. And I'm going to take my satin scarf. I have it folded into a triangle. I'm going to take the straight end of that scarf and I'm going to put it to the back of my head. And I'm just adjusting it here so that more of the fabric is going to hang down in the front, and you'll see that in just a second. Okay, so I have that straight end at the back of my head. I'm going to pull the two ends up to the front of my head, and then I'm going to cross that over and tie it in the back. And this is going to secure the scarf on my head so it doesn't come off while I'm sleeping. And then these curls that are hanging down in the front, you can leave it like this. I think some people sleep with their pineapple kind of like this, but I like to make sure that my ends are completely protected. So I will be tucking those in. And then I'm going to pull the scarf back over the top. Make sure every little curl is tucked in there. And then I'm going to take my second scrunchie and I'm going to wrap that around this little bun that it creates. And then that's just going to hold everything in place. And now your curls are protected, they're moisturized. The satin scarf is going to give it a nice soft texture to rub against instead of your cotton pillowcase. Or if you don't use a satin scarf, you can use a satin pillowcase. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this is helpful to someone. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.